In 1951, a woman named Henrietta Lacks walked into Johns Hopkins Hospital, never knowing her life would spark a scientific miracle. Today, her cells, known as HeLa, weigh over 50 million metric tons, enough to build a massive cityscape of Empire State Buildings. But how could someone be long gone, yet physically immortal? To understand the mystery, we must look back at her roots. Henrietta grew up in the tobacco fields of Clover, Virginia. She was a hard-working girl with a resilient spirit, living under the warm southern sun. By 1951, she was a devoted mother of 5 in Maryland, a woman whose humanity was far more than just a medical diagnosis. When she sought help for a health issue at Johns Hopkins, a scientist named Dr. George J. discovered something that defied all laws of biology. Most human cells die quickly outside the body, but Henrietta's cells didn't just survive. They thrived, doubling every 24 hours. They were the first immortal human cells ever grown in a lab, but this breakthrough came with a heavy ethical cost. Doctors had taken the samples without Henrietta's knowledge or her consent, a pivotal moment that would change bioethics forever. Soon, HeLa cells were being shipped to laboratories all over the world, fueling a scientific revolution that saved millions of lives. They were essential in developing the polio vaccine, protecting generations of children from a devastating disease. From mapping the human genome to testing modern COVID-19 treatments, Henrietta's cells have been at the forefront of every major medical discovery. Yet, for decades, the world didn't know her name. Her family remained in the dark while the scientific world profited from her biology. This is the mind gap, the divide between massive scientific achievement and the human stories hidden behind the data. We remember Henrietta Lacks today not just for her cells, but as a hero whose quiet, unintentional legacy continues to heal the world. Join us as we bridge the gap and honor the hidden figures of history. Subscribe to Mind Gap Cartoons for more incredible stories.